We start with our big story. A controversial law limiting when someone can record law enforcement activity is being challenged over its constitutionality. Good evening, everyone, and thanks so much for joining us. I'm Kariba Devine.
And I'm Mark Curtis. The American Civil Liberties Union and multiple news agencies, including 12 News, filed a lawsuit today. Team 12's Jade Cunningham has more on what legal experts have to say about it.
On July 6th, Arizona House Bill 2319 was signed into law, officially making it illegal for someone within 8 feet of law enforcement activity to record video.
I felt I passed a law that promotes the First Amendment, but by the same time protects police officers.
The bill's sponsor, State Representative John Kavanaugh, says he wrote it to protect law enforcement and those behind the camera. And while he believes it follows someone's constitutional rights, he is not surprised it's being challenged.
I don't want to violate the Bill of Rights. But I think that I've taken into account past decisions and criticisms, and I would love to see this bill to the Supreme Court have it affirmed.
On Tuesday, the American Civil Liberties Union and multiple news agencies, including 12 News, filed a lawsuit. It argues the law violates someone's First Amendment right and is too vague.
One instance, I'm within 8 feet of the police, I'm holding up my phone, and let's say I'm just doing an audio recording of them, I'm not violating a statute. But if I click on another button and I take video, I am committing a crime. And that just doesn't make any sense.
Constitutional lawyer Dan Barr says the plaintiffs have a case.
There was never any showing that actually taking video of the police doing their jobs in public places actually interferes with them.
He says Arizona also has a law that already makes interfering with police a crime. And with that in place, he says there's no purpose to this new law.
The bill is unconstitutional on its face. If what you want to do is to prevent people from interfering with the police, Arizona law already provides for that.
The ACLU is asking the courts to not enforce the bill, which is set to go into effect September 24th. Kavanaugh, though, feels what he's written is needed.
It's all about balancing. It's all about reasonable. And this bill is very reasonable.
We reached out to Governor Ducey's office and were told they do not comment on pending litigation. We also reached out to the Attorney General's office, and they say they have not received a copy of the lawsuit and can't comment on it. Live in the Alert Center, Jay Cunningham, 12 News.